Hi guys, I'm Araz Ahmadov and I want to welcome you in my SQL video. So this is short video introduction, demo introduction video, and if it succeeds, I'll continue my videos step by step, and from zero to hero we'll work on our practice. So this is just short practice. And firstly, what is SQL Server? It is software developed by Microsoft which is implemented from the specification of RDBMS. So what is RDBMS? R means relationals, DB means database, MS means management studio. It is also on ORDBMS, means object relational database management studio. It is platform dependent, and also it has both graphical user interface and command-based software. The usage of SQL Server to create databases, to maintain databases, to analyze the data through SQL Server analysis services in a short way, saying SSAS, to generate reports through SQL Server reporting services in a short way, saying SSRS, and to carry out ETL operations through SQL Server integration services means SSIS. So, like we said, we'll do a little bit short video, a demo practice, like going to one of our tables. By the way, I did download NotWin database from internet. You can download it as well and work on your examples databases. So let's go to new query and we'll here work on products table. And first we gotta get information, and we gotta bring our table by select command. Select asterisk from products and let us execute it. As you see, we have our table here. So if we want to single columns like product ID, product name, supplier ID to display, then we can have this command: select product ID, product name, and let's pick up unit price, make differ, executing. As you see, I did it on purpose because we have error, because we didn't mention from where these columns will be taken. I'll type our products table. If you don't mention it, it won't work as this. Executing. So we have product ID, product name, and unit price. So another command, we can select these columns or by one, we can order this table one by one, like from top to bottom or from high to low. So this command is calling order by. We can have ascending or descending. So let us type select asterisk from products. And firstly, let us go back to our normal table view and select asterisk from products, order by, let us pick up the unit price, executing. So if we don't type here ascending, or if we leave it blank, it does the same result. So here, and if we type ascending, it will make us new result again, as you see. Or as you see here, it's going to lower and from lower to higher. So if you put the scanned in, As you see, it came us from higher to lower. So we have another command. It calls distinct. Distinct means we can get information only single ones, not repeated ones. Like here, firstly, let's see what repeated information that we have here. Okay, let us say units on order, because we have a bunch of zeros and 10. Okay, let us take this one. Going to select distinct means differs. Units on order. Select distinct units on order from products, and let us execute it. See, before there were many zeros, 10, and now it show us distinct ones. So let's go back to our normal view of our table, and another command is count. Let us find out how many rows do we have on this table. Okay, so we'll select count in a bracket. We'll put our asterisk, then from products, let's execute it. See, we have 77 rows on our table. So I guess for now it's enough, and like I said, if we succeed on this video, I'll make another tutorials one by one from zero to hero to know about SQL. And this is end of our lesson. Not a lesson, it's a video. It's just a short introduction. Like I said, it's like a demo, and see you the next video. Bye for now.